What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about all the habits you need to have and the products you should use to maintain that beautiful beard. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like GWGW, salute. Now, congratulations, you've done the hard part. You've grown that beard and you've become an official member of the beard gang. But you're only halfway through. There are certain steps and products you need to use to maintain a beautiful, healthy, and shiny beard. And that's what we're gonna talk about in today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all the steps I take and all the products I use to maintain this beard. So without further delay, let's hop right into it. Now, today's video is brought to you in partnership by our sponsor, Cremo Company. Now, Cremo, hands down, is one of my favorite grooming companies, bar none. I use at least 1 or 2 of their products every day, especially their body washes. Some of the best on the market, and you've seen me review 3 of the different varieties. On top of that, for several years, I've been using the shave cream, the absolutely best in my opinion. But Cremo also has a full line of beard grooming products that you'll see me using throughout today's video. From beard oils and balms, shampoos and conditioners, scissors and combs, everything you need to maintain your beard, Cremo has. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description to Cremo's full line of beard grooming products so you can check them out for yourself. And that includes the most important step in maintaining your beard, keeping it moisturized. Now, moisturizing your beard is absolutely a must. The thing is, the hair on your face can easily get dry, it can be itchy and dull. Beard oil or beard balm are what you want to use to prevent that. And I did say beard oil or balm. I don't suggest you use both. Now, although they both do moisturize your beard, they serve a little bit of a different purpose. Take, for example, what I use, a beard oil. A beard oil is made of natural essential oils to help moisturize, soften, and help your beard smell fresh. It keeps that beard healthy, it keeps it shiny, and on top of that, it moisturizes your beard hair and the skin underneath your beard. Very important. Now, beard oil you want to use every single day. And it's a very simple process. Just take 2 or 3 drops, rub it in your hands, then apply and massage into your beard evenly throughout. Make sure you get the mustache, beard, every part. Rub it in there very well. Then you want to use either a beard brush or a beard comb to evenly distribute the oil throughout your beard. You definitely will notice that the beard oil will have your beard softer, cleaner, and smelling great, which is good for you or anyone that gets close to your beard. Or the other option you can use to moisturize your beard is beard balm. Now, beard balm is a little bit thicker. It's a little heavier. Not only does it moisturize your beard, it allows you to shape it, allows you to style it, and it helps you hold that style in place. So naturally, it's a little thicker than beard oil. Think of the difference this way. Beard oil is a leave-in moisturizer, whereas beard balm, I like to think of as a leave-in conditioner. It's up to you which one you want to use, but you want to use one of them daily. You got to keep that beard and the skin underneath it moisturized, the essential and most important part of maintaining your beard. Now, the next step in maintaining that beautiful beard, you must wash and condition it. And here's the thing, please do not use the shampoo that you use on your head. Instead, use a beard wash and conditioner that's made specifically for your beard. Like this one I use from Cremo. The reason why you want to use this instead of a typical shampoo, shampoos are usually harsher than a beard shampoo. Beard wash instead of a shampoo. That's because the hair on your face is different from the hair on your rest of your body. Your beard hair can be more coarse, a little bit more wiry. Washes like this one from Cremo are not going to contain the harsh irritants that a typical shampoo has. How often you want to do it? I suggest using a beard wash 2 or 3 times a week. Use it like you would shampoo on your head. Wet your beard, pour a little beard wash into your palms, lather it up, get it in nice and good, rinse it out. You'll be on your way to a healthy, clean beard. Now, if you're enjoying this video and learning a lot from it, I also suggest you subscribe to Cremo's YouTube channel. They have dozens of great grooming how-to videos, and they also have exclusive giveaways. Make sure you check out their channel and subscribe. And just like you would when you're washing your hair on your head, you want to use a conditioner after shampooing your beard. And of course, you want to use a conditioner made specifically for your beard, like I have here from, of course, Cremo Company. And it's very easy to use. After shampooing the beard, I'm gonna wet the beard again, pour a little bit of conditioner in my hand, lather it up, rub it in, but the key, I like to leave it in for at least 30 seconds. A minute or two doesn't hurt. The beard conditioner will further soften and moisturize your beard, a very important step in maintaining it. In my last, but just as important step in maintaining your beard, you want to trim it every couple of weeks. This is very important to make sure you have a well-kept, groomed beard with no split ends. Now, of course, you could use a trimmer, but a trimmer can lead to split ends. Instead, I prefer to use scissors. Very simple. All you need to do is comb that beard down real quick, look in the mirror, and trim with the scissors in these split ends that you notice. These scissors made specifically for your beard, once again from Cremo, help you fine tune and keep a well-kept, neat and trimmed beard. Okay, so there you have it. All the habits and the products you need to maintain that beautiful, shiny beard. Once again, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Cremo Company. Make sure you hit those links in the description and grab everything you need from their full line of beard grooming products. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.